Okay, so now that you know me at least a little, it's time to introduce the course, the contents that you are going to see, and basically the results that you are going to get after following every single class of this course. So there we have a Laravel project, of course, because this is going to use Laravel for every single real-time interaction, and we have a typical Laravel structure, but of course we are going to have events, we are going to have controllers, we are going to have listeners, we are going to have every possible structure that we are going to need to use several approaches and to show several ways to interact with the users on real time. So if we start this project in a small PHP server, we might be allowed to check how it is working perfectly for us. So if we go to this local address, we are going to see a perfectly functional application. We can go, for example, to a list of users which is working on real time. That means that if I open another browser to this location and try to register, it means create a user, this list is going to be automatically refreshed, and that means it's going to automatically show the new users, and that is going to be useful inclusive when a user is deleted or updated. So let's to see how it is working when we create a user. So let's to register a new one. And you can see that once I click on register on the left, it is going to appear a new user automatically because it is working in real time. It has an active connection in a WebSocket and it is listening for user created, user updated, or user deleted. So this is for users, but we have a lot of other applications. So if we try to start a game, we have a little command that is going to take care of the coordination of this game. So if we go to our command prompt again and execute this new command, we are going to see this game executing. So yes, we created a specific command for this, which is game execute, and there you are going to see how in real time it is starting to work once the command starts. So it allows to the user to select a specific item and a specific number and to have, let's say, a bet. It is just a game, so the user can win or can lose depending of our luck. So in this case we lost, but of course it is going to still trying once it wins. Of course it's just a simple game, but allow us to explore a lot of components and events and of course interact on real time with the user interface, which is the main idea of this. Additionally, we have something like a chat. We can obtain the full list of users. We need to authenticate. We need to send a message, of course. We can do that. And that is going to work exactly the same for every single user that we have. If we go here to the chat, we are going to see how on real time the list of users is updated. So if you check this, we have that and it is working perfectly. You have an introduction to the course, but this is not only the things that we are going to implement now. We are going to have several other applications, several other approaches to use real time, as you are going to see during this course. And of course, we are going to still adding probably new approaches, resolving new ways to use real-time applications on Laravel. So now that you know this, it is time to go a little deep, introducing on knowing how it is working and how is the architecture, let's say, for real-time applications to have a general idea on how it is working. So see you in the following class for that.